Hi again, grade 8. We will continue the second part of the principle of interaction, which is interaction from a distance. From a distance, from the name, means the two objects are not directly in contact with each other. Same like the forces acting from a distance. So in this case, we are going to take an example of a magnet. Okay? As you see here, the two magnets are not directly in contact. Actually, the magnets are floating on floating objects in water so that they can move easily. So the first magnet performs a force on the second. First, you do know that opposites attracts and similar poles repel. So as you see here, since they are acting from a distance, the point of contact is not the same. We do have different point of application, which is the center of gravity of each object. Okay? So here, the principle of interaction stated is that magnet A will perform a force on magnet B by pulling it towards it. And magnet B will pull magnet A towards its side. So it's B over A. Always, so that you don't get confused. To draw the direction of the forces, ask yourself, who's attracting magnet B? It's A, so FA over B. Who is attracting magnet A? It's B, so it's FB over A. It's actually the same line of action. As you see, both of them are horizontal and they are on the same level, but they have opposite direction, one to the right, the other to the left, but they should have the same magnitude. That's why we do use this relation. The same as in the case of repulsion, because similar poles repel each other. Who's pushing B? A, so it's FA over B. Who's pushing A? It's B, so FB over A. The same if I'm not using two magnets, if I'm using a metallic box and a magnet. Also, there is interaction between both of them. If you are sometimes using a magnet towards a metallic object, you do feel if you do leave the magnet, it will be attracted by the object, the metallic object. That's why, because of the force of interaction between them. The same for the case of a charged rod. Also, you know, in the case of the charged rod, objects may either repel or attract each other. It's actually the same idea. And in order to name the forces, you should always ask yourself, who's doing the force on the magnet? The box. So FB over M.